people at Bosley are not just physicians, but they're actually artists. I was amazed by technology and the whole process. You start to see it filling in more and more and more. The difference is incredible.
Here at Bosley, we offer surgical and non-surgical options for hair restoration. And so having an expert sort of look at you, look at your scalp under a densitometer, and give a full assessment can give you a better picture on how to most optimally improve sort of the process in which your hair has been thinning or even the loss that you've had.
Find out the details. The thing you want to arm yourself with is knowledge, and that's what you can get from the consultation. You'll find out exactly what we do, how we do it, and you can ask questions and get information back from us.
I started investigating and came up with Bosley. Bosley completely changed my life. Bosley gave me the energy back, the confidence back, the joy of life.
It was the best decision that I ever made. Go immediately to Bosley. You'll feel right at home right away. It's the best thing you can ever do.
You know, hair restoration is a process, and coming in at the earliest signs of your hair loss gives you a lot more options for non-invasive procedures. My doctor, no matter what the problem is, can give you options where you can keep your hair and options to replace your hair. I have a buddy of mine that's been my friend for 35 years. He started thinning probably in his 30s. He knew what I did. He never really approached me. His wife made a comment to me one day, said, "Hey, this is really bothering him." I brought it up to him. I explained the whole thing to him. He did the procedure 7 months ago. I was just with him the other night. We went and watched a guy playing a band, and I was looking at him and telling him how incredible his hair looked. I couldn't even get him to go out of the house to go to one of these events because he was afraid people were going to see him with his hair loss. He was more than ecstatic. It was a phenomenal result he got.
So from the time that it started to the time I actually took action, it was about 8 years. And I went to Bosley, made the appointment, had a wonderful consultation, and within 2 weeks I was in the room. I was like, okay, I'm ready to do this. What I loved about Bosley is that when I went there, it wasn't just about the transplant, it was about how can you keep the hair that you have. I started seeing results within a couple months. Now after Bosley, there was a jump in my confidence. Bosley is absolutely your partner in hair loss.
We determine what the degree of hair loss is and determine what the cause of hair loss is, and then design a program and a plan for them. This is a time-tested and true treatment plan that's been working for decades and has satisfied thousands and thousands of men and women.
When you come in for a consultation, you'll get a free scalp and hair analysis. You're basically learning what your options are. The number one regret that patients have is not coming in any sooner. Remember, there's no pressure for you to commit to anything. Our goal is for you to leave knowing that you have options.
You have your hair back. You have your youth back, your confidence back. Just take the first step.
What are you waiting for? Make your appointment at Bosley. You're going to just be amazed at how you look and how you feel about yourself.